Hi, I'm Nancy. I'm juggling with my cooking for Chinese New Year Eve. I'm cooking chicken rendang and I've got a pot of rice cooking, and now later after this I'm going to fry some noodles. Already got some bak kut teh in the pan, and I'm going to fry some yellow noodles with mushroom and some vegetables. Here is the rice bubbling. Ooh, thank you God. I'm Nancy. I'm wishing everyone a happy Chinese New Year. This is a very simple one, and I've been praying for many hours non-stop. So I've got one more set of prayers to do in between the cooking now, and at 6 p.m. sharp I'm going to say another prayer, and that will be enough for tonight. I don't have to stay up at 12 o'clock to pray because it's all done now. Wishing you a very happy Chinese New Year to those who are celebrating. Bye for now. I'm Nancy, your cooking friend.